Hello everyone, this is Kaamya, and today I'll be talking to you all regarding my hobby. My hobby is app development. Application development is the process of creating a computer program or any program which helps you to perform a specific task. My particular interest in app development is making a game for entertainment. I have got to know the basics of three app development applications. They are Scratch, App Inventor, and Thunkable. These all are block-based coding apps which will help a beginner to start the journey of app development. These are the programs I have created in Scratch. Google Assistant. So if you don't know what a Google Assistant is, it is basically like something like Siri or Cortana in your laptop. Now let's see what it does.
Hi, I am Google Assistant. What is your name?
First, you need to write your name. For example, I'll write my name as Neha.
Neha is a good name. What is your age, Neha?
Let's write 56.
Oh, your age is 56. You are an adult. How are you?
You can write, you're feeling bad.
You are feeling bad. Okay. Thank you for your time. Hope you liked the small conversation. Bye.
Now let's see if it can identify us if we are a kid.
Hi, I am Google Assistant. What is your name?
My name is Kaamya, so let me just write that.
Kaamya is a good name. What is your age, Kaamya?
Currently, I'm 13 years old. So,
Oh, your age is 13. You are a kid. How are you?
I'll be writing, I'm feeling fine.
You are fine. Okay. Thank you for your time. Hope you liked the small conversation.
As you
Bye.
can see, the Google Assistant uses text to speech and also speaks whatever we write in the variable. This project was created with exploring some ideas in websites and YouTube videos. So exploring can take you to great heights, and this is out of the box. Now let's see another project which I wanted to show you all. This project is very simple. It is basically rock, paper, pencil and scissors. So in this, I'll be a girl and the boy is a computer deciding for us. And this dove is the judge. And as you can see, instead of rock, paper, pencil, scissors, I did something very similar. Snake, water, gun. So when gun and water collide with each other, the gun wins. When snake and the water collide with each other, the snake wins. And when the snake and the gun collide with each other, the gun wins. Now let's see. I'm going to pick water. Okay, it's tie. The dove will be saying if it's a tie or not. The snake. Gun. Oh my god, the computer wins. Gun. Now it's tie again. The boy is getting heaps of points compared to us, but don't worry, I'm sure we'll catch up. And you can see the score of the boy at the top. This is the app I have created in App Inventor. This is my game called as Ball Catch. So in this game, we will basically be focusing on some balls falling from the sky, and there is a wheelbarrow or a basket which catches them. And if you catch the bombs, your game is over. So at the starting, you can see a small start screen, and in there are two options. A background music is playing there, and if you want to mute it, you can mute it or you can play it. So now let's start the game. So now you have three options: avatar, game, and coin exchange. So let's see what happens when we click avatar. When you click avatar, you will see an avatar or a character right in front of you. So if you do not like this avatar, you can go to many other avatars and select anyone which you want. So there's a pirate, a girl pirate, an astronaut, and another astronaut. So you can randomly choose whichever avatar you want. This feature will make it very attractive for the kids and people of any age group. So I'll be choosing the girl astronaut. So when you select your avatar, it will tell that, hi, I am your new avatar. So now let's go back and see what happens when we click coin exchange. So when you click coin exchange, you can see a balancing scale in front of you. So when you press convert, there'll be an option for how many coins you can get diamonds or how many dirhams you can pay to get some coins. So these are the two options, and when you click the following button, you can convert coins into diamonds or dirhams into coins. Now let's see what happens when we go into the game. Now let's see what happens when you click game. So when you click game, you'll go to another screen. So there are some balls in front of you, and there's also a wheelbarrow and a variable which will keep track of your coins and points you get throughout your journey. So for moving the wheelbarrow, you need to press the left arrow or the right arrow. So like this. Now as you can see, the coins are updated as one as you have touched the beach ball. Touch the bomb, the whole game gets over. You will automatically come to the following page after touching the bomb. Then you have an option to play the game once again. If you click play again, you come to the menu and you can again click the game option and you can play the game. This is the app I have created in the platform Thunkable. This app is basically not a game, but it is pretty much scientific. We all know that we weigh different amounts in different planets, don't we? This app will help you measure the weight you weigh in other planets. For example, I weigh 30 kgs. To calculate your weight in other planets, you need to click any of these buttons. For example, I want to see my weight in Mars.
Mars. Your weight in Mars is 10.26.
So in this screen, you can see a picture of the planet Mars, and this will use text to speech and speak the following sentence that your weight in Mars is 10.26 kgs. Now let's go back to the screen and try it with another planet. For example, Venus.
Venus. Your weight in Venus is 24.57.
You can pick any of these planets and you'll get different results of your own weight. In Thunkable, there is also an option to share your app in Google Play Store or App Store.